Alexa, turn on all lights. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my room. And since everyone was in quarantine, I thought I will let you guys in on the tech that I use in my room that makes my living much more comfortable. I'm still working on adding more tech in the coming days, so you will see some things being added as we go. Starting out with probably the most noticeable thing in my room, which are these LED light strips by Govee. Probably the first piece of tech that entered my room, and it has held up pretty well in the last few years. Next, I've got these Rico Blue ceramic lamps from Lamps Plus. I really love the color on these lamps, that it goes well with my blue themed furniture. They just look amazing. These are powered by C by GE smart bulbs that make the lamps light and colors look much richer. Originally, these bulbs were supposed to work with Google Home, but I connected them to Alexa with the C by GE smart plug with built-in hub that now powers my bug lamp. Now coming to the side tables, I have this classy looking wireless charger from UTech. Not only looks amazing, but also charges my phone with 15-watt fast charging. I also have these Galaxy Buds that I recently got. These have been amazing to listen to and also fit really well in my ears. I would highly recommend this to anyone using a Samsung or an Android phone. Now, powering the whole smart room is this second gen Amazon Echo that I got for my graduation. Not only it's amazing for news and setting alarms, but it also acts like a Bluetooth speaker, which I can do this all night. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. On the other side of the room, I've got this dancing water speaker by Soru. If you stay till the end, you'll be able to see it in action. Every after Tony Stork, a Pop Tunes, followed by my latest addition, the Mavic Mini by DJI. It's been truly amazing to have, and although I have not had a chance to fly it much outside, I will bring a review as soon as possible. Till then, you can enjoy the shot that I took of my neighborhood. And here's the speaker dancing. Now I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and that's all for today. So I'll see you guys in the next one.